It's important to have sufficient funds in your account to avoid overdrafts and overdraft fees. One way to keep an eye on your account is balancing or reconciling your checkbook. Tips for maintaining your checkbook. Enter all transactions in your check register. Check card payments, ATM withdrawals, including service fees, automatic payments, and checks. Of course, always enter your deposits too. Regularly use online or mobile banking. View your account online before your e-statement arrives. Look at your balance and look for any unusual activity. Don't overdraw your account. Making a big purchase or not quite sure you've got enough in your account? There are many tools to help you ensure you've got the funds in your account. Online banking, mobile banking, telephone banking are just a few. Overdraft fees can add up quickly, but can be avoided with some diligence. How to balance your account. Step 1. On the first available entry in your check register, enter the check number, date, and description, and transaction amount in the appropriate boxes. Do the same for any deposits or ATM or check card transactions. Step 2. Subtract the amount of your transaction from your previous balance and record the new total in the balance column. If you used your ATM or debit card, enter the amount as you would a check. If you made a deposit, add the amount of your deposit to your previous balance and record the new total in the balance column. Step 3. Reconcile your checkbook with your bank account statement every month to be certain there are no errors in accounting. Writing a check and other ways to make payments from your account. You have many options today to make a payment from your checking account to a business or individual. Writing a check. Always write with a permanent ink pen when writing or endorsing a check. Don't use a pencil or other writing tool. Fill out each line legibly when writing a check. After you've finished writing out your check, always be sure to record it in your check register so that you can accurately balance your checkbook. Check card. A check card basically performs the same functions as a physical check, but with the ease of using a card. It differs from a credit card in that the purchase amount is taken from your account immediately, whereas a credit card balance can be paid on a monthly basis. As it accrues interest you're responsible for. Online bill pay. Online bill pay again performs the same functions as a physical check, but with the ease of sending electronic funds via the internet. Pop Money Personal Payment Service enables you to send, receive, or request transfers to and from your bank account. Now that we've discussed different ways to pay someone, it's important to consider what to do if someone writes you a check. If someone writes you a check, you can deposit those funds into your account immediately, and usually up to 6 months from the check date. You can take the check to the bank to deposit it. Some ATMs accept deposits, and you can always mail the check to the bank for deposit. Endorsing a check is as simple as writing your name on the back of the check. When endorsing the back of a check that is made out to you, don't do so until you are actually at your bank or at an ATM machine and are ready to cash or deposit the check. Otherwise, if you lose your check in transit or it is stolen, someone may cash it on your behalf and walk away with your money. Remember, deposited funds aren't always immediately available for your use. Read your bank's funds availability policy for more information. More popular these days is for employers to use direct deposit, which will automatically deposit funds into your account once set up.